Oh, okay, welcome back to another episode here, guys, on the pig farm. Um, yeah, it's raining right now, so I'm not sure what we're gonna do. Could get started on bean harvest right now because beans are ready to go. So, yeah. Yeah, we can just check combine what needs to be done. Belts look good. Go down to the other side here. Checking anything just in case we need any new belts or something. So, a little glitchy out today, but that's alright. Yeah, they look good, a little dirty, but yeah, they look good. Just gonna hop on here. It is really glitchy out today. Yeah, but let's blow that out. Give me a sec. Alright. I know it looks dirty, but we just blew it out. So yeah. I think she's ready to roll. I know deals are good. Just check so we will warm this guy up. Here. Alright. Hopefully we don't get stuck today. Oh yeah, we'll go. Well, let's go set up. Alright, now it's all warmed up. We'll set up the auger. Okay. That's a problem. Yeah, that sucks, but okay. My booty's wet, that's for sure. There we go. Oh, okay. Guess we aren't supposed to turn that sharp. Do we want to? We are gonna have to. Or wait, we could. Okay, hold up. Yeah, those potato mounds are looking a little wet, definitely wet. We'll go up here, maybe it'll work better, so we don't have to go up so. Oh, give me a sec. Right, just got it done unloaded. No, not done unloaded. We got it into the bin. So we'll try. Might have to wait here for a few hours, but we'll try. How much should be warmed up? She is a little glitchy out. Okay, we don't want straw, so. Yeah, maybe we shouldn't harvest in the rain right now. Shut her down here. Okay, yeah, she's already muddy, so we'll shut the truck down and we'll wait a couple hours. Alright. Okay, I thought the compost. Okay. Nathan, I called Nathan. I said, oh, get him going. So. Alright. Alright, yeah, we'll get Nathan over here. And yeah. Alright. Alright. Nathan was just dropped off here. He's sinking in the mud a little bit. Don't know what he's doing. But alright, well, we'll get him. Yes, he's following the GPS, but we'll get in the truck, and I think this is pretty much what today is going to be. Well, let's check here, actually. Help. I want to see pigs. What can pigs eat? Corn, wheat? Yeah, they can eat wheat, so we will. We don't have to get pigs today, so that would be something, though. Yeah, we'll go grab the auger. We'll grab the auger. Alright. Auger is unfolded, ready to load. So we'll put some wheat into the piglet barn here. So. Let's see here. Is this gonna work? Well, why the frick isn't it working? Is it because there's no wheat in it? Okay, well, let's... Oh, frick. What? Yeah, we have. On a frickin'. We have a lot of... I just don't know where it is. Okay, well... Okay. Alright, well... I don't know what... Oh, Oh, give me a sec. Well, alright, well, we sold the bin, and we sold the wheat, so we're at 130,000. So we'll probably got to buy a new bin here, but I don't know where to put it. So yeah, well, we'll worry about that. We'll go check on Nathan here right now. Just drive through the bushes here. Hold up. What the? Shut that up for a second. What is this? Oh my god, it's a Gleaner Combine. An old one, but what's in here? Alright, nothing. Just a bunch of bushes. I cannot see. Got an old bin. Probably pigeons and oh, okay. What is this? Looks like old Chevy winery, no? Alaska truck. Wow. Well, there's a shed over here. Okay, wait, hold up. Oh, a Model A and looks like brand new three-wheeler. Oh my. I wonder if any of these can start. Oh, we better check on back this. Check on back. Wow, okay. I should take speaking lessons right now. Okay, we should, well, we are gonna check back on this later here, so. Yeah, we'll go check out Nathan. I just had to go all the way through the field here. Oh my. He has gotten far, actually. He doesn't even look like this field. But we'll go back to the yard and we'll grab some ether from the shop and just try to get that combine because we could use an extra combine right now, so. Because we're pushing in November, so we gotta get going. I'll head out. We'll just run out there. Left the shop door open. Hopefully now the cat's got it. Alright, well, we'll look through these drawers, see if there's an ether. Alright, found some ether. So we gotta go. Right over there. So yeah. We could use another combine though, actually. Like, that's it works. Alright. Works. Okay. Up on the roof here. Do that. Come on. Right on. See, it's really dirty, really dusty. So we'll wash here. Oh my. Is that a beef? Is that a straight cut header? Oh yes it is. Small one, but okay. We got ourselves a fleet here. Give her a while to warm up here. Let's go see if the Model A will work. Right up. Alright. Exhaust poking through the shed. That's alright. Okay, she moves. A little squeaky there, but she moves. Don't know what we're going to use this guy for, but that's something. Let's see if we can get this truck running here. Probably not. Just going to try to start it. Okay, it is so disgusting. Oh my. Sitting in here just makes me want to throw up here. Broken glass. We'll have to send this to the mechanic if we want to get it fixed here. So yeah. Okay, something's wrong with my voice right now, but whatever. Alright. Come on. Leave this guy for later. We'll bring back the Model A here. We'll come back and get the blinker. Alright, we just dropped off the corn header, bringing the bean head over. The bean head, I guess. So this is what America called, Canada call it straight cut headers. we'll open this. Grab this. And clean. Clean this. Get that nice gray under there. Oh yeah. Get better. For some reason this gleaner mod header, gleaner header mod, it kind of bothers me that the writing on it's all bugged out and stuff here. But what's oh my, okay. Sorry to make me mad here. Well, we should probably we'll leave it here. Oh, I forgot to grab the Model A. I'll turn that off. And we'll go grab the Model A here. Alright, just coming back with the Model A here. Just had to quickly jump over first floor to convince the others. Yeah. So yeah, just go back with the Model A here. Just wash it off then. I don't even know what we're going to use this for. Yeah, we could put it in. Okay. Don't want to do that. This was probably a workhorse. Because these tools are just monsters. What will we fix them like? Is that better? I don't know if that's better or not, but let's just park this here. And we're running into the log. I don't even know what we're going to use this for, and we ran into the log. Alright. I will take a look at this cleaner here for a second. We'll maybe get it running. Alright, check the combine. That was good. And I ran over to get the three-wheeler. And yeah, it's practically brand new. So yeah, but I think we're gonna have to get a mechanic out here. So yeah, to get that truck up. Alright, yeah, we are getting up on a lookout for a cultivator plow of some sort. Let's use some, there's a four-wheeler. Well, it doesn't look like nothing we need right now. Yeah, we don't really, there's nothing really. Just a trailer. A windbreaker. Don't need that though. If we were, we would use a snow blade. Probably not, we won't need it, but practically brand new. This chisel plow could be useful that we could use. Or we could use this John Deere disc. We'll probably use the disc though. So yeah, I guess we could go ahead and buy later, but Nathan is working. I think we could. Well, we'll get going on this combine actually. After we unload him, we'll head down to, I think, 22, and it has some beans, so we'll harvest that with this gleaner here. So we'll warm her up. So yeah, we'll get this guy started again. A little muddy. We do have some money to play around with, but since we are in, if you look here, $459,000 in debt. But we are paying her off. We are paying her off. Yeah. Or we could get both. We could get the chisel plow on the disc. Put a chisel plow on the 48s. 40, and put plow on the 50-20. Yeah, we could do that, but we'll get Nathan unloaded and see you guys at the field. Alright, just got the first headland done. A little messy, but we got it done. So, yeah, we'll continue on this field. And yeah, well, what I'm gonna say is comments down below. Should we keep the harvest setup we have right now, the Gleaner and the Titan, next year, or should we change the set, like get new combines? Tell me what you guys want to see. I'm happy to make whatever content you guys want to do. So yeah, I do like this combine. Too small though. Like we have too many acres. I mean, not too many acres, but it's just to run this alone. It's kind of tough. So if you guys want me to download the mod, we can. So yeah, okay, we can't do that. Do it manually. And yes, this thing does have GPS. It has field liner, not GPS, but field liner, which was a thing for GPS. I'll explain it, I guess, right now. So it is it's where it's not a big screen. It's usually a little box up there, and you can set point A to point B, and it'll calculate lines. So you have to put in your width and stuff. I learned it today, actually, from my dad. So it's usually seen on white. Like it's better than nothing, but it will tell you if you, like, it doesn't automatically take the wheel. You still have to steer, but it will tell you, it'll beep at you if you've gone off course. So yeah, it's a bunch of going side to side a little bit, but it works. So yeah, so that's a little bit of information for you guys. If I explained it wrong, tell me. I'm happy to learn. So yeah, we'll finish this field and we'll go check on Nathan. Alright, just finished up that field. 63%. Horrible yielding wheat, not wheat field, soybean field. Horrible yields on that field. So we'll go dump this. Nathan's probably about, well, these are not good yielding soybeans. We'll have to spread fertilizer on it or something. That's a fertilizer sprayer. Or I guess we'll have to find out. I'm not sure if this thing's spitting out seeds or what, because it might not work very well. So we might have to sell this thing at the end of the year, so we might not be able to use this because it's not very good. Well, Nathan, flying out here. We'll unload this and we'll go put it back at the shop. And we'll check it, set some settings, and yeah. We'll just check over it and make sure everything's good. Alright, just got done unloading Nathan. And we got some news. The trucking guys called and said he just dropped off our chisel plow and disc that I bought. So I got them hooked up to the track, to the 40 and the 20. So they're ready to go for tillage. And yeah. Gotta unload this. Those are small corn headers. I don't think we have one. Oh, wait. 27, 24. If we have 2 combines going, that would be fine. But we'll have lots of it. Soybeans, we won't have so much of it. I think we'll just use soybeans for pig food. And we'll start drying. We'll dry the tractor. Yeah, we're unloading. Yeah, this is nice barn finds we found. Those are sweet. Just gotta get the truck out and hopefully fix it up, because that's a nice truck. Yeah, it's a very nice truck. First load of soybeans in. Gotta shut off. That now. We'll probably get going on plowing on that one soybean field that we did. I think we'll plow it and spread fertilizer on it and stuff. So yeah. See you guys when we're next time unloading Nathan. Alright, yeah, well, I'll get back to you later. See ya. Alright, just got off the phone with the mechanic. I was checking out that gleaner. Turns out it needs a lot of work. Like, a lot of work. All the bearings and the gears are toast for sitting all that years. The header, it's not doing it. It's not cutting them very well, and spitting out too many seeds. So we might end up selling that combine. But if I know what it's worth, I'll go and load Nathan here, and we'll talk more about it. Alright, unloaded Nathan. He says he's gonna get to the end of the row and he's gonna call her quits for tonight. Almost 5 o'clock, so park this here. Close the cover. And yeah. So yeah, she's not. Gleaner isn't doing its thing. We'll just look at the market here for what combines we have here. if are available with big headers, because yeah, I see there's our combine there. It's not doing its thing. This is not bad. Twin wheels, a cabin. Will that give us? No, it won't. Does it give us GPS? I don't think it does. Probably doesn't. But I don't really want to use. Same thing, it's just a hydro. We might be getting that John Deere. I'm not sure. I'm not sure though. Great grandpa did not like international, so I can't do that to him. But so yeah, Nathan should be coming back with the combine soon, but I guess we'll close up everything for the night here. So yeah. Oh, lights are on. Did not know that actually. But yeah. Guess we'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.